PenFed Gold Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? This card is one of the most underrated low-interest credit cards available in 2025. The PenFed Gold Card is built for people who want low interest rates, no annual fee, and simple benefits. Instead of flashy rewards, the focus is on saving money on interest. You get a low variable APR, fraud protection, and strong account management tools. This is perfect for people who sometimes carry balances and want to minimize interest costs. Verdict: worth it for low interest seekers.